Welcome to an exciting and informative guidance video where you will unlock the full potential of this incredible teaching tool. Get ready to dive into the secret of effective learning and set on to a path to academic success. It holds the key to unlocking your true potential and achieving the best possible result. Embrace it fully and witness the remarkable transformation it can bring to your learning journey. Do learn exercise by exercise. Imagine each exercise as a stepping stone to greatness. Approach them one by one, conquering each challenge with determination and enthusiasm. By learning exercise by exercise, you will build a strong foundation that will lead to unparalleled success. Brace yourself for an immersive learning experience. When you watch the first exercise video, imagine yourself in a dynamic tutoring class. Find a peaceful study area where you can absorb knowledge without distractions. As you engage with the video, actively respond to the questions posed, reinforcing your understanding. Remember, if any part leaves you puzzled, simply rewind and watch it again until you are fully clear. Once you have completed the video, it's time to put your knowledge to the test. Tackle the in-class questions, marking your progress along the way. Next, challenge yourself with the homework questions, marking them as conquered territories on your learning map. Consistency is the key. Don't let the fire of learning extinguish. Apply the same dedication and enthusiasm to exercise 2, exercise 3, and so on. With each exercise, you will strengthen your skills and expand your knowledge. Support when you need it. We understand that questions may arise along your learning journey. Fear not, assistance is just a click away. If you need any help in-class questions or homework questions, utilize our question board or book a Zoom meeting with a teacher. We are here to guide you every step of the way. Once you have completed all the exercises in the chapter, an exciting step awaits you. Now, let's take a significant step forward. Get ready to dive into the chapter review questions, which will quickly revise you all the concepts of the chapter. It's an exciting opportunity to strengthen your knowledge and celebrate your progress. Conquer the Akshar education exam. Brace yourself for the ultimate challenge, the Akshar education exam. This exam is your chance to showcase your knowledge and skills, and it plays a vital role in the learning process. Approach it with confidence, knowing that each question is an opportunity for growth. After completing the exam, mark your answers and compare them with the provided solutions. Remember, if the result does not meet your expectation, view it as an opportunity to learn and grow. Retake the exam until you achieve the score you desire. Celebrate your success. Congratulations, you have successfully completed the chapter. Your dedication deserves recognition. Claim your well-earned certificate and proudly showcase the marks you have achieved. Celebrate this milestone as a testament to your hard work and commitment to excellence. Let this enlightening video ignite your passion for an incredible learning. Harness your self-motivation. Conquer exercises diligently, seek support when needed, and celebrate every achievement along the way. Your path to academic success starts now. Happy learning!